appetite for this.
Guys, the burger is, I'll give it a 9. It's really good, but you need some herbs in the patty though. Huh?
I don't think that
No. Oh, okay, good.
Can I have
The best? Which is the best pizza? That's what you said.
My first pizza for the year.
This is like my 20th.
Yeah?
A 7. I give this a 7.
7? You're kidding.
Bro, I was just saying, I remember we used to get $4.
How much is it now?
6 something.
You're kidding.
Change my mind. Maybe I will give it a 8. Because it cooled down a little. So I got.
I like the crust.
The crust is good.
Yeah.
The crust is good. The pepperoni good. The cheese is good. It's just the sauce that turned me off a little. I can get an 8. It's for 8.
Like now it's even harder because if you go inside these little tents that means you
Have to buy.
It's different. You can't like look from the outside. You need to go inside and get the warmth and then you're like,
I like that they have this thing though.
it's like a cured pizza.
She came from here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Okay. 25.
How much are your carrots?
$5 on the
Oh, it's all apples. I want to be in the video. Imagine how cold it is and we out here in the market. Like, this is next level though. Low key.
They have different things.
Watch my tour guide.
Follow me.
Let's go.
Where you guys go is that? We're going to the other building. You want to come?
You have the car key though. Luckily. I think you put me in the video.
I'm in the video.
Yeah, because I look up and I just see this. I was like, I thought she saw somebody from you. And then I saw the phone and I was like, oh,
Okay.
this is making sense.
You see what's happening, right? Ooh, okay, smell.
But it's also giving warm climate. Maybe I'll move to the US.
Well, after all, it's day you're born. You might as well.
I'm just scared of the Trump movement.
Oh. Good.
I'm the baker. Would you like to try the super seeds? It has no sugar, no gluten, no dairy, no oil, no eggs, no milk.
Sure. So how did you get what's the
What's
syrup?
binding it?
No syrup. It's real honey. You can try, and it's so less sweet, not too sweet, perfect sweetness. So would you like to try organic super seeds?
That's
No
good.
sugar, no gluten, no dairy.
Okay. With honey.
And we have the cashew brittle. See, I put just a little bit of honey, but it's real. This is cashew with honey. We have small if you like.
How much is it?
Which one? So we have this one, and the bigger one. So the bigger one is 4 times the small. You save $2.25.
What's the price?
Yeah, so you can see the offers.
Oh.
For $4.20 mix and match, or for $4.20 in one bag, but you pay only $17.75.
Oh, so this is 4 for 20?
Yes,
Okay.
you can mix and match. This is the one I'm giving you, cashew and honey.
Cashew and honey.
Would you like to try?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You can buy one small for 6 or 2 for 11.
2 for 11. Okay. We're gonna walk around. So thank you.
I think it's because of you. Because you say, oh, there's nothing in there. It doesn't give, but it
It's just different
I don't
than
think that's your refrigerator.
It's different vendors, so they're different things. These are the zones that make this.
I couldn't tell.
Hi, Mr. Lavender.
Listen, I'm buying me something. Shit, this is a lavender. I should have followed you, Zion. I should have followed you. She doesn't want to do the taste test for the and she do it so smooth, you know. Okay, we'll come back. We'll circle back. You know, I get a dog treat.
For like 10 minutes.
You want a dog? But that is how they market, though.
Well, like the conversation was good. But it was good. Like the seasonings tasted good.
I mean, you're into the cooking thing, so you might as well.
Not to be kidding you. Can't take no money anywhere. Gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, and it's life-changing. Get on that. Like, how do they like flavor it though? Oil?
Yeah. But you don't wash it?
You want to go to the next building or you think you're done?
This is how I'll take your word for it, Zaya.
Well, the other building has more like it's not food, it's like more clothing.
No, this is thick though.
Life in Canada. Life in Canada before we became 51 states.
Wow.
So much fun.
Okay.